In this video, I'm going to show the blurring function of the property tool. Blurring is needed when you want to hide family portraits or any other personal objects in the property tool. For example, there are fridge magnets, which might also portray family photos in certain cases. These are made unrecognizable with blurring. We blur specific things in the tool automatically. You don't even have to ask for it. We automatically blur license plates, house numbers, and family photos. In case you want to blur other things as well, please remind us in email. Keep in mind that blurring edits the images permanently. Consequently, you cannot unlock or undo it later on.